Réserve naturelle nationale Baie Saint-Brieuc, a protected natural area and popular birdwatching destination, the removal of green algae is an important measure. The removal of algae helps to reduce the health risks that can arise from the release of decomposition gases from the algae. The BeachTech 5500 was used successfully in this nature reserve, which covers around 1,140 hectares. Thanks to its large loading volume and its efficiency in removing algae, the BeachTech 5500 proves to be the ideal device for cleaning areas infested with green algae.